Up first today, more extension events set to be here before you know it, including the 2025 Beef Feedlot Roundtable Workshops. Set for February 18th through the 20th, these workshops invite feedlot owners, managers, employees, and allied industry members to join the Nebraska Feedlot Extension team. This series will dive into timely topics focused on feedlot management.
So our goal as Nebraska Extension is to extend all of the information that we've both learned from our own research, but also that we've heard out in industry at various conferences and conventions over the last year. And so it's a great opportunity for, number one, networking and camaraderie with fellow feed yard related individuals, but also to hear the latest and greatest and updates on research and feedlot management and nutrition. So we invite the feed yard sector, so that would include the owners, operators, employees, and allied industry to come and join us for the Beef Feedlot Roundtables. We're going to be discussing hairy heelwort, which has become a bit of a challenge for some of our feed yard operators, both in Nebraska and in other states in the United States. And so we're going to have Dr. Becky Funk with GP-VEC in to talk about that, and she's going to go over how maybe we can have some strategies and management of that hairy heelwort within the feed yard. And then we're going to have special guest Dr. Pete Anderson with Midwest PMS talk about the key to a successful feed yard, and that would be people management. So within the feed yard sector, we are challenged to find employees, but once we do find those employees, we really want to be sure that we retain them. And so Pete's going to go over how to properly manage employees and ensure that those employees are assisting you with managing your feed yard day to day. I'm going to be discussing some implant strategies, and those will be strategies for implants that have been on the marketplace for multiple years, but then also an implant that just came on the marketplace in the fall of 2024, used within the dry lot backgrounding sector. And so we will have a research update with Dr. Galen Erickson from the University of Nebraska. He's going to be discussing our new Klosterman Feedlot Innovation Center and the first research trial that has begun in our new expansion of the feed yard, as well as all of the research that we've done in feedlot nutrition and management over the last year.
To review, there are 3 different opportunities to join in on those events. First up, on February 18th at the Prairie Winds Community Center in Bridgeport. February 19th at the Bayer Water Utilization Learning Center in Gothenburg. And finally, on February 20th at the Nielsen Community Center in West Point. All events are scheduled to begin and run from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. There is a $20 fee to register, and you must do so by February 14th. You can find a link to register for these events along with this story over on the Market Journal homepage. Also coming up February 20th and 21st is the 40th Annual Women in Ag Conference, which takes place in Kearney. This 2-day event is designed to educate and uplift women involved in many aspects of Nebraska's agricultural industry. Through workshops and presentations, attendees will learn how to better manage risk, improve their farms and ranches, and become more successful operators and business partners.
And we are celebrating 40 years this year. And I would say the reason that it's gained so much popularity over the last 40 years is because, number one, it's consistent, but number two, there is a ton of information for farmers, ranchers, agribusiness professionals, and landowners. And when you come to this event, you have the opportunity to see over 25 workshop options, as well as 5 keynote speakers. So it's a jam-packed 2 days. We're really excited for the opportunity to hear from Elaine Fraze. Elaine is a farm family coach from Canada. She's coached over 1,000 families through farm estate and transition planning and finding harmony within their operations. So we're really excited to have Elaine, but we also have a great lineup of speakers, including Emily Rushell, Leah Peterson, Jenna Oshner, as well as some others. So it's a great lineup this year, and we're really excited for all of them. So we are in the early bird session. So if you register before February 7th, you get a $25 discount on our 2-day registration. We also have scholarships available though, and those are due February 1st. So keep those both in mind as you think about whether or not you want to attend this year's event. Again, scholarships February 1st and early bird on or before February 7th.
The 2025 Women in Ag Conference will take place February 20th and 21st in Kearney. Registration currently open, and you can take advantage of that early bird registration period until the 7th of February. That is $150 to attend both days. After that, price goes up to $175 to attend both days. You can find more information and the registration link along with hotel options when you visit the Market Journal homepage.